Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Life with Deja Blue, and I'm Deja. Today's video will be a reaction style talk through video of me dyeing and bleaching my hair, and I'm just going to take you guys through that whole process. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. I would just like to say that I am not a licensed professional. I've been dyeing my hair since I was 14 at home, and I've been bleaching and dyeing my hair different shades of blue consistently for the past 2 years, and it's with my natural hair too. So that does make a difference between like natural and relaxed. But I've been doing that for the past 2 years consistently, and I thought I would just start documenting and sharing the process with y'all of how I get my colors. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Thank you for clicking on. Thank you for watching. Alright, so I'm about to react to and walk you guys through me doing this ombre. That's what I was going for, but I have curly hair, so this ombre-ish that I attempted. We're gonna start by stretching my hair and using, I didn't even show that. I straightened my hair and I used some detangler from Just For Me called Wonderspray, and listen, it got the job done. Do you hear me? Done. So that was great. And then I use quick blue and some $30 developer. Don't do that, because you about to see why in just a second. But and don't wait this long. I waited way too long to, like, look how long my roots are. That was crazy. So it came out kind of crazy looking. See, then I added foil. I don't know why. I told you I'm not a professional, and this was in November. Who knows why? But look at my curls. So I shouldn't use a 30. I should have used a 20. But I used a 30 and flat. The curls flat. It's okay because Aphogee came to save the day. Thank goodness for Aphogee coming to save me. I really, really appreciate that, Aphogee. Brought them back the best that we could anyway. I did trim a little bit too, so it ended up looking healthy in the end, because healthy hair over length, okay? Always. Slow-mo. Just so y'all, them girls be bouncing. I'm also not a licensed barber. I don't even know if I'm doing this correctly. I don't know if you're supposed to hold the clippers like this or not, but it works for me in my tiny mirror, because I just do and keep it going. And then I line myself up. I literally just went to Sally. It's like, can you show me your clippers? Which ones are the best? This is my favorite part, putting the color on. So on my roots, I'm doing Hot Pink by Manic, and then on the tips, I'm using After Midnight, also by Manic. See, it would have been cute. It would have been cute if your hair stayed like that, sis, but your hair does not. So, but it was cute. It lasted for a while, which was great. I'm gonna insert some clips, maybe, if I remember, a picture or two of what it faded out to be. It lasted a while though. Super cute, super cute. And then I'm just doing my twist out right now. I'm using my go-to products, which is the Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Twist Out Cream, and then Aunt Jackie's Anti-Shrink Gel, and that's it. And then I'm doing my lock. I'm not gonna share those products because I really haven't found a good lock product yet that I'm just like in love with for my lock or my children's. So I don't really have a lock thing, but I just do palm roll. And then here's the results of all that. Yes, like, come through, color. Okay, see, you can tell where my bleach messed up some, but whatever, still look good. It turned out good. Okay, so that was just a quick little video on my hot pink and After Midnight ombre job that I did back in November. It faded out really pretty, so I'm gonna insert some pictures. No, it did not. It was not what I was going for, but it worked. And like I said, it lasted all the way till March, so it faded pretty. I'm okay with it. And then I also showed y'all my twist out routine in this video, and I'll actually have a more in-depth video coming for y'all soon. And so subscribe for that, and also subscribe if you want to see how I got this hair color, which was just like, I'm most proud of this. So that video also will be coming soon, and don't forget to follow me on all my social media. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.